Good morning, students. In our previous class, we discussed about the word processing basics and we discussed about how to start MS Word, how to create new document and how to save the document. Now in this session, we are going to learn how to open a saved document in a computer. It means opening an existing document. The document which is already saved in your computer, how to open that. For that, we need to follow certain steps. Step 1. Click on the Office button or the File tab. Then you need to click on the Open option like this. Go to the Office button, then click on the Open option. Then what happens? Open dialog box appears. This dialog box will appear. You have to choose the file from this area and then you need to click on the Open option. Or to bring this dialog box, we can also use the shortcut key combination, that is Ctrl plus O. Next, we have closing the document. How we can close the document? Here, closing the document means closing the document window in which we are working. So, two steps to close the document window are: click on the Office button or the File tab. Then you need to click on the Close option. Here, go to the Office button, or here you can also get the File tab in the upper versions. Then you have to go to the Close option, or you can also use the shortcut key combination, that is Ctrl plus W. Like if I do, I get this kind of window. After using the Open Office button, Close option, or the shortcut key combination Ctrl plus W, your screen will look like this. The next is steps to close MS Word application. The steps to close MS Word application means to close the application window. In the previous close the document means closing only the document window, the complete application window was not closed. Now in this, you need to go to the File tab or the Office button and you have to choose the option Exit, or you can also use the shortcut key combination Alt plus F4. So this is the difference between the closing and the exiting. Closing the document will close only the document window, and exiting means to close the application